Okay guys, so we just got our first meal in the plane. Hopefully you guys can hear me because it is really loud. But this is what we got. So we got a little bread. We have, I don't know what's in here. In here we have some type of dessert. It looks like that. And then in the blue container,
The drink. Did it 3 times already.
and then we have what looks to be green beans, chicken, and maybe mashed potatoes, and rice. We'll see how this tastes. Hopefully it's good because I don't really have any snacks. Oh, and we have a little thing of butter. And then I got a juice. I got a Fanta lemon. So I'm guessing it's like a lemonade. It's alright. It's not bad. It's not good. Oh, Brian's already digging in. Is it good? I'm like nervous to try this. Let's see what we get. Brian says the chicken is good and the rice is whatever. I'm, to be honest, not that hungry. I'm pretty tired. But let's try the rice. It's whatever. Try the chicken. It's whatever. For airplane food, it's really not that bad. But it's not very good. Let's try the dessert. It looks like some type of cheesecake. Cheers. It's pretty good. It's like a cheesecake, but instead of a crust, as cake. It's not bad. Yeah, guys, that's our first meal. I'll let you guys know what we get for breakfast, but I'm gonna try to eat and go to sleep because it's 11 o'clock and tomorrow's a big busy day. So yeah.